আমরা আজকের এই ভিডিওতে ইংরেজি 12 মাসের ব্রিটিশ অ্যান্ড আমেরিকান উচ্চারণ শিখব। লেটস স্টার্ট উইথ January. January. January is in British. January is in American. February. February. February is in British. February is in American. March. March. March is in British. March is in American. April. April, May, June, July. April, May, June, July. এই চারটা মাসের ব্রিটিশ অ্যান্ড আমেরিকান উচ্চারণ সেম, অর্থাৎ April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July. August, August. August is in British. August is in American. September is in British. September is in American. October is in British. October is in American. November is in British. November is in American. December is in British. December is in American. So let's repeat. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. Thank you.